Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz of Pads and Meats. I also have another channel, it's Louis Corpuz, it's my name. So today, we're gonna check out a second-hand gear that I bought online. It's Rev Gear. So this is from JNT. Second-hand gear, we're gonna see. Okay. The seller told me he washed this. Of course, do not wash your gears, especially if it's leather. They're gonna get destroyed. So we'll see. So far so good. It's okay. Pads and meats lang in order ko. That was my mama. That's my mama. So we'll see.
Nagkapuan na nga eh.
Actually, good.
Nagkapuan na. Order mo. Manungay
Ako
dati.
rin naka-record ma. 1.5 lang dato eh. There. So it's good. Rev Gear made in India. It's actually really good. For the price that I paid. Just 1,500 pesos. So, see.
Kaapay nga, ipagpagamay, no, ilakong nga eh.
Ma, okay lang. Ibang Rev Gear. It's actually really good. I'm impressed. Yes. Nice. Nice, good. So the gloves, oh no, it's wet. It's soaking wet. He washed it. So it's really wet. Oh no. But the fitting is good. I like it. I like it. It's leather, made in India, Rev Gear. Their price is lower compared to most, but the quality is really good. So it's actually really good. I like it. I think it's a good buy for us. Nice. So thank you. More blessings to all of us. If you are into martial arts, Muay Thai or kickboxing, check out my other channel, Louis Corpuz. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us.